Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Dementia. In this lesson, we will talk about meaning of dementia, effect of dementia, symptoms of dementia, causes of dementia, and types of dementia. Let's now discuss each one of them in detail. The first one is meaning of dementia. Dementia is the loss of cognitive functioning. The power of understanding, the power of comprehension is affected, and it affects our thinking, remembering, and reasoning. We continue our discussion. Effect of dementia. As a result, dementia may affect a person's daily life activities, cannot control his or her emotions, and it's more common as people grow older. Now we have symptoms of dementia. One could have trouble in memory loss and poor judgment, difficulty speaking, understanding, and expressing thoughts, losing balance, and problems with movement. Causes of dementia. Dementia is the result of changes in certain brain regions that cause neurons, nerve cells, and their connections to stop working properly. For a small number of people, rare genetic variants that cause dementia have also been identified. Types of dementia. The first one is Alzheimer's disease. It's most common dementia diagnosis among older adults. Frontotemporal dementia. It is associated with abnormal amounts of the proteins in the brain. Lewy body dementia. It is also caused by abnormal deposits of the protein alpha-synuclein called Lewy bodies. And the last one is vascular dementia. It is caused by conditions that damage blood vessels in the brain or interrupt the flow of blood and oxygen to the brain. Let's review the lesson. Dementia is the loss of cognitive functioning. Dementia may affect a person's daily life activities. The next point is dementia results in memory loss and poor judgment. Dementia causes nerve cells to stop working properly. At the end, I would like to say that dementia is a branch of a study in the field of neurolinguistics instead of psycholinguistics. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.